The GRD role at Gonzaga is a professional role that works for housing and residence life on departmental issues, as well as supervising one area of campus as far as student, staff, and residence life issues in that area.
My name is Eileen. I'm the Graduate Residence Director for Midwest Block.
And my name is Maggie. I'm the Graduate Residence Director for Northwest Block.
So you just moved to Spokane. What's your favorite part of being in Spokane so far?
Spokane is an interesting mix between a very urban downtown environment, especially with how close Gonzaga is to downtown, but also still feels like a small city at times. And it's also really beautiful. The river is really pretty. There's a lot of outdoor activities to be done.
My favorite thing about Spokane is that it's an immigrant and refugee hub, actually. I don't think a lot of people know that. But something that's really important to me is staying connected with an international or global community. And as part of my graduate program, actually, I'm doing a master's in teaching ESL. It's provided a really unique opportunity that I would not have anywhere else. And that has been one of the most special parts of my experience at Gonzaga.
A typical day for a graduate residence director, you'll have to read emails, respond to emails, go to student meetings, go to department meetings, and answer any inquiries that pop up on the day.
Yeah, there's a lot of variety in the day-to-day work. A lot of it is balancing administrative work, so emails and committee work, and filling out normal things for our block, so keeping track of different student activities, in addition to meeting with our students regularly. So I probably meet with one of my students one-on-one, probably 3 students a day.
Yeah, one way that I've really grown in the GRD position is serving on call for all of campus. So once a semester and once during the summer, the GRDs will serve in the on-call rotation, and we will respond when RAs call us for support in those higher level situations. Maybe they're dealing with mental health crises, maybe they're dealing with Title IX kind of sensitive information, maybe they're dealing with just a really, really big group of students up to something kind of interesting. And then also sometimes working with local law enforcement, because there are times when we have to work with them as well. And so I think just being one part of that big chain or that big network has been a big area of growth.
Probably the thing I've enjoyed most is spending so much time with my RAs and the other students on my staff. We meet with them so frequently that we get to be involved in the day-to-day growth and change in their lives, but also being able to see their holistic development from when we hire them in a previous February and seeing that all the way through to the following May. I think it's a really beautiful thing to be able to witness and to be able to journey with students during one of their years in college. Is like one of the most formational times in their lives.
I think I've enjoyed most the connections I've been able to form with the RD team in particular. We all have very different blocks that we supervise and oversee, and yet we're still encountering the same student challenges, and so we're able to support each other throughout those.